Owning a resort seems like a dream, right? Everyone pictures lounging in paradise while the money rolls in, but the reality is much more intense. Imagine balancing guest satisfaction, maintenance, marketing, and legal compliance all at the same time. Exhausting. First, let's talk about location. You can't just find the best location. You pay for it, big time. Prime beachfront property? Easily millions before you've even built a single luxury suite or infinity pool. Location makes or breaks you. Even after dumping all those resources into the perfect spot, there's the challenge of differentiation. What's going to make your resort the go-to? Is it the spa services? The views? Guests expect magic, not mediocrity. Hiring staff sounds easy until you're deep in it. You're not just hiring good employees, you're hiring exceptional ones who smile when guests spill drinks 7 times a day. Retaining them? That's a battle against both burnout and seasonal churn. And marketing? It's a nonstop hustle. Everyone's a travel agent now. Instagram influencers, Google reviews, TikTok trends, they all dictate your reputation. One bad review can cost you tens of thousands in lost bookings. That's real. Let's not forget upkeep. Tropical paradises? They eat your budget alive. Salt air corrodes, lush greenery overgrows, and pools need chemical balancing daily. The day you skip maintenance is the day something catastrophic breaks. Running a resort is a logistics marathon. From managing room inventory to ensuring weddings, conferences, and family vacations run seamlessly, you're coordinating a level of chaos NASA would admire. But unlike them, you can't reschedule the bride's big day. Then there's the legal headache. Zoning, liability insurance, taxes, environmental regulations. One mistake can cost you more than the pool installation. Oh, and local governments, they can change the rules on you just for fun. Here's an underrated struggle. Off-season. Nobody tells you how quiet revenues get when it's not tourist season. But your utilities and staff salaries, they don't care if your rooms are empty. They stay expensive all year long. Pro tip, sustainability isn't optional anymore. Guests love eco-friendly resorts, and it's a great marketing angle. But implementing these changes, like solar panels and zero plastic usage, can be financially painful upfront. It's a long-term play, not a quick fix. But let's not ignore the emotional wins. When a guest tells you their honeymoon at your resort was the best week of their life, it's gold. You're creating memories that people will talk about for decades. Resort ownership is no vacation. It's a sleepless grind, constantly striving for perfection in an industry where expectations never stop growing. But if you're up for the challenge, it can be incredibly fulfilling and just maybe profitable.